Sanbonan, this is Jabu Mahlangu and Tiskishandis, and I'm your host, Jabu Mahlangu. Namhlanje siringa ngegame Kaizer Chiefs and Siwelele. Twana, ugrand.
Ngimnandi ntwana wena.
Yeah, sharp. Knowledge uyibone kanjani mfana igame Chiefs neSiwelele. Draw 1-1, Chiefs drawing again at home. I think so game is 4 without a lose. Without a win. Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
We ucabanga ngayo uyibona kanjani mfana?
Yeah, first, just to touch on that point, Yoguti, they've gone 4 games without a win. It obviously put the pressure to our coach, to the whole team as a whole, especially considering the fact of Guti baqale kahle.
Yeah.
They collected points. So now they are dropping. Reasons for that I can't tell you, but someone said the first few games it was a beginner's luck for the coaches. And I'm not sure how true is that, but they're getting tested now. But the good thing again is that at least they are collecting something. They are not losing points. So a point is better than nothing.
Yeah, coming to game yabo against this Isiwelele mfethu nami ngibona i-lineup yabona i-lineup ngithi mangibheka I mean Vilakazi first bekacala ukuqala Igodaro naye bekacala ukuqala noDuba came back ku lineup, but for me I think and then beba no Shabalala and Umthethwa noCele. So for me now overall I think game both teams created less chances. Siwelele and the Chiefs, and bekungena ama scoring opportunities amaningi from both sides, and the battle was there in the middle between uCele noMthethwa no Mahaman no Mkhwane. Yeah, Mkhwane, the battle was there, and I think for me now personally I think with Isiwelele Mahaman no Mkhwane I think they did well.
They won the midfield
But I
battle.
think they won the midfield battle. Just nje bona ba disappointwe ama offensive players like Lungu, Pule, Putsana in terms of creating more scoring opportunities. But the first few minutes, I mean, Isiwelele got the opportunity in the first 16 minutes, and bebangena ngale ku Frostler.
Showcase.
Young Frostan, Urapo, the left back, Isiwelele, no Lungu, they were combining very well, and they were giving Frostler in the first few minutes a headache lapana because 2 or 3 crosses is very from Ngale Gulungu, and one of them it was a cross on the 16 minutes where Chiefs defense they were caught sleeping.
Yeah.
Because they allow the striker Ohize. They allow Ohize to get the ball to penalty area I1 unmarked, but poor finishing there from Ohize because Usha right la goalkeeper ame corner. He should have put that ball far corner. And for me, I was worried with the Chiefs ngati is consider very early there.
Yeah, a great move, like you're saying, from Isiwelele from the left-hand side. Urapo, a very talented young man.
Very.
Combining with Ulungu, who is very energetic
Yeah.
as well. Ulontuzan, as you are saying, that move was beautiful. Ubuyisa a cross, but he was supposed to open up his leg.
Yeah.
And instead, Ulshaya straight to the goalkeeper. So he was supposed to open up the ball. Last pole, and that could have been a goal.
Yeah, very. I mean, poor finishing there, and then Maguya, 18 minutes of the game. Chiefs got a break from the right. Frostla lapayana. Siamazi ke Frostla ke. We are figure. He adds numbers when Chiefs attacks. It was a good move, good run from almost center line. Isiwelele agijimana lo Frostla on the right, and then he played a back pass to Umtu I1 go 18, but there were 3 defenders in front of him, of course. Then he took that shot, good save, not great save, but it was just a good save because now
Ulshayela
ame corner, and I think ukuthi if Umtu mhlambe kule position because mabayikhatha so mdlali ibuya ku penalty area, and goalkeeper already phela bekamuvila ngisho ne-action, so uku-first pole, so umntu uyidlale ku-first pole la goalkeeper mekhona kanti bekumele ayidlale far post, or he had an option futhi when you check that game yokudlala mhlambe uDuba. uDuba was also open, he had an opportunity, but it was a great opportunity, good try from Umdula, but I think he could have done better. And after that, Mfethu,
Yeah, but just to go back on the issue,
first half, that was it.
yeah, but on the issue yakamdu wena Jabu lapha it's njengoba usho ukuthi uDuba maybe was open on the left hand side of Umdu. Mawuse boxing. Check a strike. Siza blame wena if ukuranga, but if upasa and then that other one misses, mina as a coach blame wena kuqala lo o shifta irresponsibility. So to the young man I say big up, but you must look. Mau control the ball. Look where the goalkeeper is standing and pick a spot.
Yeah, that's why.
Don't just shoot. Nje. All I saw from him, he controlled the ball very nice.
Yeah.
But he did not look at the goalkeeper with Tumegopi. Pick up the spot.
Yes.
That's all I can give advice to him. When you're in the box, relax, hold the ball and pick the spot. Look where the goalkeeper is and take it to the other side.
Yeah, he didn't think he sure because he's young, but he's been playing for a couple of years, man.
Yeah,
Professional, So when you get to the last stage, you need to be calm, composed,
exactly.
and make sure Guti, Guti mouse boxing, war relax.
Yeah.
Abantu abapenika ama defense.
Yeah.
Or bayapenika ukuthi mangamthinta penalty. So I think decision making here let it down, but also trying to shoot. It was not a bad thing to do, but on the day for me, I would have loved ukuthi mhlambe if udlale fakhona or aldlale.
True.
Aldlale uDuba. That was the first half because they were making a chance. The game was well balanced. There were no good opportunities. I mean, Upule, Putsane naye for Isiwelele. I think in terms of structure, Isiwelele they were well organized.
Well organized.
You understand? Well organized, and they knew Guti badlale FNP. They are playing away from home. Chiefs will very obviously attack, go all out and attack, but they stayed firm. And as badlale too much low block.
Yeah.
It was just a balanced game, but few of goal scoring opportunities, especially first half. Even the ball position, obviously Chiefs had more ball position because they are the home team, but it was 48, 40 some 58. I mean 52, 58. 40 something, so it was very close. But so angazi mina ngokuyibona kwami ngibona ngathi these new coaches as the Kaizer Chiefs and the technical team coach Kaze njengoba abantu bathi lesikhathi uNabi yahambile bawina, but uNabi akahlale kancane manje sekuyiba abaphethe and they haven't won in 3 games. Yes, they haven't lost, but still
they are dropping points.
They are dropping points.
How many points have they dropped if they've thrown 4 games?
Yeah.
That's 8 points lost.
Yes. So we bona kanjani wena lapho in terms of the technical team taking over from Unabi, because Nonabi, obviously, you can see the Kaizer Chiefs le, na the Kaizer Chiefs le, first 5 games, in terms of the energy.
Yeah.
It was not there.
Sometimes you can blame the coaches, sometimes it's the players, man. I look at a player that I was looking forward to seeing this season, Ucele. I thought this was going to be his season. I thought he was going to push to go to Bafana Bafana because of what I saw from him last season. But I feel Untwana Guti, man, he has dropped his standard a little bit. He loses balls and cheaply sometimes. And the energy, it's no longer the same.
I think, remember, we are now injury walimala. I think still angimkhulumeli, but when he came, the first few games, the energy that you talk about, I saw it. But nami ma izolo, ngale game yesiwelele angiyibona.
Yeah.
That energy.
Because Kaizer Chiefs needs that arrogance, to control. Like I lose it, but he has tempo and he plays, it dictates the tempo ye game. That's what he should be doing. He should be doing consistently.
Ithi ngukutshele ke boy 2 kule game eswelele umthethwa noCele they were losing amabhola, both of them. Umthethwa ngathi sekuba yinoma, I'm not saying unjalo, but I feel ukuthi mele manje kube nomuntu omtshelayo lapha eVillage ukuthi my bra you cut ama attack wama opponents very well uba you protect the defense very well, but when you get the ball you give it back to the opponent. Na izolo na kule game yesiwelele same thing.
Yeah.
He was giving the opponent ama ball after cutting nicely I counter attack yesiwelele passing the opponent. Bengafuni ukuthi ngathi uso yabo ngathi umuntu oso, because remember he's not a youngster. Akusintwana encane ongathi uzoyifundisa ifunde sekamdala. So I don't know ukuthi uzokhona ukuyichange leyo nto abe compose. That's why when he tries to play, that's why he doesn't play long balls. Noma luwinile noma kune run lapha ye strike uyasaba, he will rather delay ayidlale la kube umunye oyiphasayo. So ngiyabona ukuthi kusho ukuthi naye uaware ukuthi hey ukuphasa long angikho mnandi, but
so what's the best thing to do? But because we all know Guti Vele, he's not that good to pass. So his strength, that guy, win a ball.
Yeah,
like,
but
Mina, I would say, I think maybe Njongoba Ush, they told him to do that, and I would encourage him to do that. Win ball and give the nearest player to play. Give Ukele, give Abumtu, give Uvila to start the play. When Ispansako, uklina la.
No, but ngiyakuthola, but makakhathe i-attack ndoda kuvuliwe nasi striker sishaya run. You must cut.
Loser foot.
That's my problem. Now it becomes a problem. Then kusho ukuthi kuzomela makuya ukuthi replace uthola umuntu ozothi when that moment comes yokuthi mayikhathile ayidlale la, because what if akekho umdula iduze akekho uvila la iduze kwakho makacede kuyikhatha and nasi istriker sishaya I run between the defenders mele uyidlale lapha ama opponents ewahambile are disorganized. You can't. This is professional. And manje the way ngicala ngakhona I'm going to be hard kancane kuyi. He needs to improve that when you're playing for a team like that. You can't pass the opponent almost every game and do the same mistakes every game. And I was very disappointed ngocele njengoba usho naye he was making a lot of fouls against Siwele, a lot of fouls. You know, which means tempo ye game naye bemshaya because he looked a bit slower coming njengo the striker Ikodora. He never get any supply. He never got anything. Kule game esiwele. So I can't blame him. And angeke ngithi hey ubhedile or akabhedanga. Yes, ama touch ngwabonile amnandi. There was a time where he got the ball from cross second half wayicontrola kamnandi wajika wabangena wakhatha inside wadlala that splitting pass for Umdu
made a good deep run.
Umdu made a perfect good run one on one laphana bekumele nje alithi untwana ngathi usabile angazi urusaba goalkeeper sekala laphana uyafaka ubhunzi ulithi mali mchayisa goalkeeper liyamchayisa liyabuya malibuya libuyela your opponents. I mean, libule your teammates, the strikers, abazayo, angish to finish up. So I think Umdu could have done better there, but it's not a trace match, but it was a great move from Ikadoro there to see Uti. He wanted to do something, but we have only match fitness bimshaya. I was excited. Ngumfundo Vilakazi. Yes, makalbamba kuba nayo lento leyo. But umfana wami, I think he needs to get more time ukuthi aqale ama game because he's been starting 10 minutes, he's been playing 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, and ayenza something. So makacala, obviously it's now different from when you come from bench. So I'm saying he didn't do azange been impact the way le engifunayo, but it was his first start in the senior level. So I hope ukuthi bazohlale bamqalisa bangasambeki ebench so that ajwayele naye. But overall Mdladla Kaizer Chiefs second half they didn't. It was just I don't know.
Yes, just to go back to Igodaro no Duba, both baleka image fitness.
Yes, no Duba we are injured.
That is why I'm coaches they will get blamed. How can you start a player who haven't been playing for a long time?
Exactly.
Rather start one, start to Ikodaro begu long upon or start to Duba ubegu long upon. But because we are looking forward to see Igodaro hasn't played, so start to Ikodaro umkaliso no Mayo because Mayo has been playing. So you can't player I2 angadlali plus Uvila naye uyaqala naye kustarta. So we've got 3 players already. We are at a disadvantage. We are playing with a player Umukwane Nomagamen, who are very industrial, who are very hardworking, they were going to struggle, obviously. So, i-line-up yabo ama-coach ibashayile.
Yeah, then what's your take nje wena nge-overall performance yesiwelele?
Ngizocala ngeluntuzane their team, ama-players wabo.
Because on paper,
On paper, they have a good team.
Not good, quality.
Quality players.
Let's put it clear.
Yes,
On
they've
paper.
got quality players. They need to improve now, mfethu. Otherwise, izohamba le team and we're number 15. So they need to. They are not a team that you can say they must play about low block. None. They've got players that can play.
Yeah.
So they must Mamela try now encourage my players to attack more.
So what did Chiefs Millions in moving forward? In your view, based on this performance, because it was not a bad performance, but being in a action, man.
Some of the players look like they lacking motivation.
Exactly.
Some of the players that Minamang Babona, because now Kaizer Chiefs, honestly speaking, Kaizer Chiefs have a good team on paper.
Yebo.
They've built a good team. If you look in the midfield, I'm always going to analyze the team, mostly from the midfield because I was a midfielder. Umthetho ngimbekile lapha mina vele Umthetho is a starter for me. I will still play him any day because he does the donkey work. He cleans and he is the one who gives Abo Cele, Abo the creative players to go forward
on his day.
Yeah,
not kule game le yesiwelele. Ayenzakalanga la ile.
Ayenzakalanga ngoba laba abafuna udlala boCele. Abafuna udlala boCele mfethu. Yena he does like you saying uyaluwina aluse because of maybe the passing ayikho. But I say as a coach I will say to him Mntwana wena luwine gayi uvila, gayi uCele, gayi umdu. Don't try to find a long pass no uyayimosha. Gaya lo uphume uqedile ispan sakho. Give them a chance ukuthi bahambe like what Paris does with Unduli. Unduli uyaluwina alithi abagade. That is why you see abo Tito ba so creative. It's because of that.
Yeah, but all right, Nyakuzo Ntwana, it's fine for Usiema. I think the good game as an away team. They got a point, but yeah, zizobashubela laphayana if abaphumi because once uhlala isikhathi eside lapha phansi it becomes a problem. Sharp. The Kaizer Chiefs, yes, it's a draw. But they're still sitting on number 4, 16 points. It's not bad for now.
Yes, they collected points early in the season, so ibancedile lento le.